Now we'll see the color in the crypto market. There is green at this point this morning. Green, 25,786 for Bitcoin. Dominant sitting at 46.56 points there. Just some smudges of red with Solana, Doge, and XRP at this point. Let's look at the sentiment right now. 41 points fear. Still fear in the market. Investors are still quite agitated at this point. Then we see the top cryptocurrencies we tracked this morning. 8 a.m. Bitcoin there adding 0.11%, and XRP the opposite there, 0.24%, still at 50 cents. Let's bring in Olumide Adesina, our financial market analyst. Olumide, good morning.
Good morning, Ladi. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so I see Binance in the news today. See Russian Ruble's monthly volume on Binance there dropped by 3% in 2 years. And looking at all that's happening with Binance, do you think they can survive this regulatory onslaught?
Well, time will tell. That's a very tricky question. But looking at the narrative, one could really say that Binance has been able to wave most of the bullets, from regulatory concerns from Nigeria, United States to European markets really weighed down on the world's largest crypto exchange. But pretty much right now, I think investors are particularly more concerned about what is coming out from China. You could see the reaction about China's iPhone ban, the fact that China's economic growth is not like what it used to be, the fact that China is having deflationary concern has really triggered sell-off among risky assets. So, we were surprised to even be seeing Bitcoin at the lowest level since March. One expert had expected that Bitcoin might be looking at the $20,000 to $22,000 mark. But I think the resistance to stay above the 25,000 really tells you that a lot is in for play. But, there are a lot of things happening in this space right now. We have ETF spots in play. We look at the fact that NFTs are also trying to gain traction. But, the almighty US Fed also is really what is weighing as we speak, because, the fact that oil prices are at $90 per barrel suggests that interest rates hike might still be on the table, as energy plays a big role in the world's biggest economy. So right now, I think the market is still on the wait and see, but investors are very picky right now.
Yeah, quite picky investors. Thank you so much, Olumide. We're looking out for how Bitcoin plays out this weekend. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.